Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Hello everyone. In fact, I was really saying that I enjoyed myself because I had porridge and it was very nice. What did you have? What did you? I ate spaghetti. Oh my god. And how did you like? Beautiful. So really, you're an actor. What can you say about your family or your sister in Christ or your what can you say about Tekobi?
Well, I can only say that she has done something very impressive and I am proud of her. All the dresses in there are creative styles. In fact, already we should get them.
So should I cast you on what you want or you should tell us what she has? She said, do you know what? Go and tell them downstairs so that they will not know my bra size. I don't think you buy anything.
This is for sale.
So now let me start from you. Shalako support. So now, you have to talk to me about this particular outfit you're holding. Ever she only lo she marura. So your time starts now. Come on.
Well, what I can say about this style is that the color is lovely, very bright color, and it's good for TV. So, it's going up. Who is interested? Whoever is interested should see me now, not later. Please. How much is this one?
It's for 12.
This is just for 12,000 naira.
You guys, you don't know it's not easy to hold microphone. Oh wait, you have to go inside the crowd. They are going inside. Go and show them. Showcase what you are selling. There you go. DJ, please give her music. Oh, that is Shola Chukotova for you. She's here to show you a full laptop Ankara. Please guys, buy from her. Go inside the crowd. Make all those ladies love the style. Make them buy. It's affordable. This is only going for 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira. You're going to buy it. Oh! And we sold it. Thank you so very much. So let's put our house. Give up the clap for her. Thank you so much. So right about now, that is sold. Thank you so very much. Red carpet. Hello. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello, this is hello everyone. Her name is Regina Chuku. As you can see, I want to tell her actually. As you can see, she's wearing a two-piece nightwear. It's a kimono. It's a kimono with a trouser. Please, can you lift your? I'm going to sell her from head to butt to toe. Right about now, please start your catwalk from there. Showcase. Already there's someone for this. So Move over there, let him play. So right now, wait, before you go to the mat, because already someone started upstairs, I was like, you have to check it out. But she said, let me go, in case there's an iron bigger. So now this goes for 25 ground, you can move into the crowd. That's Regina Chukwu for you. It's a kimono and a trouser. Animal print, very subtle color. Green, and you can see once you allow your babe or your girlfriend or your wife to wear this, or your sister, OMG, you're good for the day, you're good for the night. So, do I have a buyer for this?
No,
Do I have a buyer for this? I have a buyer for this. So, that's in, please. Please come to the red carpet. Going and gone. We already bought this. Elopo, I show you. What's it around? Elopo, thank you very much. Thank you very much, please.
Come downstairs, John. Come downstairs.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so that if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.